Alright, so yeah, we came down here with some trains. It's like raining out here. I'll tell you what, we're being dedicated rail fans today. First train of the day here. So, yep. So, yep. Just because it's raining don't mean the train stop. Just because it's rain don't mean the train stop. Oh yeah. I tell you, the water flowing along trucks does put a little sick flair to it. Speaking of aesthetics, those short ones on the bottom and the long on top are like not pretty. I want to see a lighter fucked up the side of a little bit. Piping wood. Oh yeah, fun. It's nice to see it up here good. Oh, I tell you what, it does make it more beautiful in color. Jeez. And there's your end, right there. Oh, look at the Ocean Express in the end. Look at that. 162. So let's grab this. Have everything with you. Put it all back in your pockets. Let's grab my wet clothes. Oh, look at that, 171. Oh, what, about 9.5 pounds again holding this? Oh, is that good? So I'm back from rail fanning, and we're joined by some company here. What's this say? Perishable. Keep refrigerated. So does that mean you could eat that in church, like communion or something?